down.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's get right into it. I am starting with my Maybelline primer. This is to combat the redness and also blurs your pores. So yeah, you be the judge of that. I love this Physician Formula foundation. It's like, it has a strong smell, but other than that, I feel like 2 layers and you are looking amazing and dewy and fresh. So give it a try, I say. Just blending it out with my damp beauty sponge. This is the Real Technique one. It has like the flat edge, kind of like the Morphe one, but I haven't tried the Morphe one, so I don't know. That was the second layer there, and good to go. I'm using my Photo Focus Wet n Wild concealer. I use it a lot, and it's one of my faves. I don't use it really for a lot of coverage, to be honest. And I love my dip brow in Ebony. I need to get a brow pencil to make this a little bit easier and faster for me in the mornings, but you know, this will do for now. Eyebrows done, check. And guess who's back? If you have seen my older videos, which they're not that many, so I feel like you should watch them, but I've been using the Take Me Back to Brazil palette by BH Cosmetics. Right now I'm just priming my eyelids with a concealer from NYX. Anyways, and I wanted to use these bright colors again because I really love them and they're super pigmented and nice and bright. I can't stay away from this palette, and I also got some requests too. There you go. We're going for this yellow look, inspired by Gina Shketa, I believe. June's Makeup on YouTube and Instagram, love her. Anyways, I just wanted to create a warm crease for this bright yellow. There's not much to explain here other than, you know, you probably need a couple of blending brushes and some matte brown shadows, different shades of course, because you want to build the density. And as you can see in here, I'm just trying to blend and build up. I did have to go in with my cute little Wet n Wild peach, not a basic peach or rose in the air palette, one of the two, because the BH palette didn't have a strong brown. So I had to find another palette for it, but you know, I'm sure you have some browns laying around. This yellow is so bright, you don't even know. I feel like if you use a white base, this will look crazy. I don't have one, but with concealer is enough, I feel. Just go ahead and highlight your brow bone. I love that shimmery white shade on that palette. I'm not sure if it's meant to be for highlight or what, but I use it to highlight my inner corners and brow bone. And just using a black pencil for my waterline. And here I have this Maybelline. It's like one of those thick graphic liners. I'm not sure if it's out there anymore. It's kind of old, and no, it's not dry. It's fine. I barely even used it. Maybe that's why. But yeah, thumbs up for me getting a wing right. Come on. You guys know I struggle with that. I feel like I need to switch up my liners. And this one is just a more precise, fine tip for the inner corners. And I don't know if you guys know about this mascara. I mean, I just saw it and I was like, what the hell? Worth the Hype NYX mascara? I've never heard of it. But I really like it. I feel like you guys should get it. It's $6, not even kidding. Here with my Shade and Light palette, I'm just using the first and third shade. The middle one is way too orange for me. I know it works for a lot of people though. I'm just super pale. And here I'm blending some away. Also, I wanted to define my nose a little bit. Nothing crazy, very lightly. Adding more of that bronzer there. Just checking out my shadow. I wanted to build up a little bit more, so I went in with some more dark brown for the crease and just blended it out a little bit. You kind of have to put a lot for the camera to show. I just grabbed my blush brush with whatever was left on it from yesterday. I know, what the hell. This is Lightscapade from MAC. I bought it 2 years ago, or maybe more. Yikes, I know. But it's lovely and I love it. I threw on some falsies, nothing fancy, whatever you have laying around should do. And this is a Wet n Wild lipstick. It's very creamy and buttery. I'm sure it's out there still, but this is like completely rubbed off. I cannot tell you what it is. Very old. And some lip liner Nude by or Natural, I believe, by NYX. And then I have this ColourPop liquid lipstick in Trap. Just put it in the center and just like smack your lips. But I feel like that was the last thing, you guys. Thank you so much for watching again. I really appreciate it. If you subscribe to me, or leave me a like, or leave me a comment, you know the rules here on YouTube. We like to see you commenting and interacting with us. That way we know somebody's watching us. I mean, this is so sad if you think about it. Oh my god. Anyways, if you want to see my Instagram or Twitter, that will be in the down bar below. Just go ahead and check that out, and I'll see you around, okay?